If you're enjoying this content, please click on like and follow below. Okay, so Mustafa writes, hi Dennis, is the EDA critical in DS project lifecycle? And if you can describe it in what word, what will it be? Yes, EDA is super critical, very easy to overlook in the process. So what, if you can describe it in one word, what will it be? Knowledge. I think the word is knowledge. You're looking to build up your knowledge from the data set, right? You're looking to say, okay, well, what am I looking at? What are the ranges? What are my means? What are my standard deviations? Right? Is my data normally distributed or is it skewed in some way? Right? That's basically what you're looking to take in, just taking in the knowledge, right? And kind of correlated to that is just being able to kind of accept the data as it is, right? I always emphasize this with my teams. You have to let the data speak to you, not you speak to the data. You have to let the data speak to you. And that's what EDA does, right? EDA helps you say, okay, well, I'm going to clear my mind of any bias and I'm going to just tell me what the data says. The data says this is the age of my buyers and this is the range. Okay, I thought our buyers were younger than that, but I guess they're not. They're this is what the mean is, right? That's what it is. You're just taking in that knowledge, right? So I hope that helps you, Mustafa. But that's how I would describe it. EDA is all about knowledge. Because you might be walking into an industry or a company that you know nothing about, right? So EDA is a great way to do that. To just come in and say, okay, what's your business about? What's your company about? Let me see what the numbers tell me. Not what I think the numbers are. Not what the owner tells you, right? Because the owner has their own biases on their business and things like that, right? Let me just see what the data says. Let me build my knowledge. So great question, Mustafa. I love the question. Absolutely critical. Why I love the question, Mustafa? I love the question because you're thinking about process. You're thinking about a methodology. So yes, EDA should be part of anyone's methodology in their entire data science lifecycle. So I love that you're thinking in that direction. You're on the right track, my friend. So thanks for the question.